Hey, good morning. The sun's out. It's a nice day. Our tents have dried off. Things are looking up. It's supposed to be a week-long stretch of good weather.
Yay!
Yay! We get to meet Yaya, my girlfriend, on the trail tomorrow. She'll be joining, so that's exciting.
Yay.
And we only have a 15-mile day today.
Yay!
All good things.
And we're supposed to be camping near water, so if it is nice enough, maybe we can swim.
True.
And if there's not too many blowdowns today, maybe we'll get to camp early.
Yeah, that's the hope. That's the hope.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's do this.
Guys already.
Okay, so today we have one mountain to do, and it's 1,300 feet. Overall, not a lot of elevation gain today, which is nice. And once we get this out of the way, it'll be smooth sailing all the way to camp. Here's a spooky old abandoned shelter. This is the Kefir oak. It's a 300-year-old oak tree, and it's the largest oak on the whole trail. It's huge. So these are called the Bruiser's Knob Cairns. They're rock piles built by early settlers, apparently. Other than that, we don't know the purpose. Maybe they were markers, maybe graves. If you know, let us know down below. All right, we're just stopping for lunch. Check out this view behind us. On the camera, it sort of looks like Hawaii, like the tropical forest in Hawaii.
It does, yeah. Also, it doesn't do it. The camera never does it justice.
It doesn't.
It's amazing.
Perfect lunch spot, though.
Yeah.
So we got notices a few weeks ago that part of the trail was shut down because of fires, and I think it might have been this part here. Looks like at least the undergrowth is starting to bounce back, and it's not a hugely affected area, luckily. Hey Alice, you look pretty comfy.
Well, I just found this chair.
That's pretty nice.
In the middle of the woods.
Do you think you'll take it with you?
You know, if I could carry the weight, but I'm at max capacity.
No,
so
dang.
I'm gonna have to leave it here for someone else.
Yeah, next time. Hello, lizard. How are you? Goodbye.
How do you feel about it? I mean, you holding up good?
All right, we just had some great trail magic, hot dogs and lemonade. Oh, almost broke my trekking pole. All right, that was a close call.
Yeah, lemonade was amazing.
It was so good.
Hot dogs, amazing.
Yep.
And they actually had dark chocolate, which is my fave, so that was amazing.
Yep. And then we hung out with Mama Bear and Little Bear.
Yeah, we caught up to Mama Bear and Little Bear. Yay!
Yay, our friends. And then now we're gonna go ford a river.
And then
Just
we're
like
at camp.
And like in camp, yeah. Now, if any of you have ever played the Oregon Trail, You know how bad fording a river can go.
Oh, Lord.
One of us might get cholera.
Oh, Lord.
Who knows? We'll see. But if I end up getting a game over here, I just want you all to know it's been a pleasure.
Okay, well, thank you, Trail Magic.
Thank you, Trail Magic.
At least he'll go down full and
That's right.
happy. I think I'm just gonna get wet.
No! Oh, you did it! Yeah. Game over.
Sit in it now.
That's how you get cholera.
What a day. A newt day.
A new day.
Orange newt. Hello, little guy.
Are you gonna cover them back up?
We haven't seen any orange newts the whole time, and now we're lucky enough to see two.
So we had such a fun day. We did the Cairns. That was really cool.
Yeah, they were everywhere. That was really cool.
Yeah, that was awesome.
We saw a
great
spooky
views.
house
Spooky house.
with spooky cars.
Mm-hmm. Great views for lunch.
Yeah, lots of good views.
And we met up, great trail magic. And we met up with Mama Bear and Little Bear again,
Yeah.
our
so-
friends. So that was so cool.
Yeah, we got to cross the river with them.
Yeah.
I think they recorded some stuff and we did too, so you'll probably see us all in the mix together. It was
That's
a lot
right.
of fun.
It was a collab.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So good. Yeah, it was a good day.
It was a great day.
Uh-huh.
Okay, well,
I think it's fire time. And din din.
sounds great. All right, well, hike on, happy hikers, and we will see you tomorrow.